Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ProBook 650 G4 laptop driver download. Use any browsers to type Google search box to like that, okay, and go to officially website which is ProBook and support.hp.com. Okay, just right click to new tab. Wait few seconds. So this is your laptop. You can change your operating system which is using Windows 10 11 and then click to update. Slow down. This is your required driver, BIOS and all that driver are available. So if you need to only basic driver like audio chipset, graphic keyboard and network, this is basic driver. So if you have to update the BIOS, so you can extract this and click to download it, okay. And next, audio driver. So there are two type of the installations method. So first it is you can download one by one, click to download line like that, and second is you just select that, okay, and then chipset. Try to first this one, manage engine, graphic card. So this network, this is your Wi-Fi driver, okay, and this is your Bluetooth driver, and this is your LAN driver, okay, and which is selected all the driver, it will show here. So you can just one click to download and it will download one by one in your system automatically. Then guys, how to install, okay, so like this is install it, all the method is same, just single click this setup, then click to yes, and then next I accept it, then next, this is path of setup file, so you can change, click to change and go to select the folder which is you require to install it, then click to next. Now this is installed, this is installed by CMD, it will be, and you installed all the driver, and after that you restart your system. Any other required driver, so you can see and just click to download, it will start, okay, like that. Network, I show you how to install it. Just Bluetooth driver, click to download, wait few seconds, it will start here. Like this is Bluetooth setup, and you can see you more driver install, to go to this driver more drive, download more drivers, and automatically come on this home page, okay. So thank you.